Assalamualaikum class, this is your SST teacher Miss Sayyida Fatma Noor. We are starting our new chapter, being a hero or heroine. Okay, so when you think of a hero whose name comes to your mind, for some it might be a famous cricketer or a famous film star. For others, it might be a political figure like the former Prime Minister of Malaysia, Mahathir Mohamad, or Aung San Suu Kyi, who fought for democracy in her country, Myanmar. All these figures share one thing in common: they are distinguished by outstanding performance in their respective fields. People want to follow in their footsteps to be just like them. Okay, so in this chapter, we are talking about hero or heroine. So it's not someone who is working. In this chapter, we are not talking about someone that is working in a movie that we call the hero or heroine, but we are talking about the real life heroes who worked hard for other people to make other people's life easy and who fought for them. For example, we are talking about here the political figure of Malaysia, Mahathir Mohamad, and Aung San Suu Kyi, who fought for the democracy in Myanmar. Okay, and basically all of these figures are distinguished. इनको पहचाना जाता है इनकी जो परफॉर्मेंसेस थी, जो इनका काम था, जो सर्विसेज थी, उनकी वजह से जाना जाता है. एंड ऑब्वियसली एवरीवन वांट्स टू फॉलो देयर फुटस्टेप्स. Okay, a hero or heroine is courageous and brave. बहादुर होता है, हिम्मत वाला होता है. बिकॉज अगर आप में हिम्मत या बहादुरी नहीं होगी, आप बहुत सारे काम जो करना चाहते हैं वो नहीं कर पाएंगे. वर्क हार्ड टू अचीव हिज हर गोल. आपको मेहनत से हर चीज़ करनी होगी, क्योंकि विदाउट हार्ड वर्क यू विल नॉट गोइंग टू अचीव एनी गोल इन लाइफ. Has high moral values, has great accomplishments to his her credit. मतलब उन्होंने बहुत सारी अचीवमेंट्स की होंगी, कामयाबी हासिल की होगी बहुत सारी चीज़ों में. is devoted to his her work. अपना जो भी काम है वो बहुत मेहनत और लगन से करते होंगे. Has noble qualities. यहाँ पे नोबल क्वालिटीज़ से मुराद कि उनका करेक्टर और उनकी सोच बहुत अच्छी होगी और वो खुद भी बहुत अच्छे होंगे. All of these are some characteristics of a hero and heroine. We admire many social workers, teachers, sportsmen, politicians and religious leaders for their outstanding work. A heroic social worker. Pakistan has produced some distinguished social workers. Abdul Sattar Idi tops the list. He provided food, shelter and medical treatment to thousands of destitute people and orphans. His ambulance service is the largest in the world and includes an air ambulance service too, which can reach remote areas. Whenever there is an accident or a natural calamity, his people are the first to reach the affected area. He was an honest, compassionate and selfless person. He passed away on 8th July 2016. There is a picture in the right hand side of this page, Abdul Sattar Idi and his wife Bilqis Idi. So we all know about Abdul Sattar Idi, that he has the biggest ambulance service in the world, and we know that he has an orphanage जहाँ पे लोग जो है बूढ़े या बच्चे हर तरह के लोग, हर एज के लोग वहाँ पे रहते हैं और उन्हें खाना, घर और जो है मेडिकल ट्रीटमेंट प्रोवाइड की जाती है फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट मोस्टली. बट फॉर एल्डर्स देयर इज सम चार्जेस, but usually it depends on the donations and fundings the orphanage gain. Whenever there is something, whether it is a flood or इट इज़ एन अर्थक्वेक। आपको एम्बुलेंस सर्विस ईदी साहब की ज़रूर दिखेगी उस जगह पर। ओके, नेक्स्ट इज़ अ हीरोइक पॉलिटिशियन। पॉलिटिशियंस ऑफ एनी कंट्री शुड बी पीपल ऑफ इंटेग्रिटी, ऑनेस्टी एंड डिवोशन. They should achieve results which improve the condition of the country and make life safer and easier for everyone. जितने भी पॉलिटिशियंस हैं किसी भी कंट्री के, तो उन्हें अपनी इंटीग्रिटी और सच्चाई और लगन के साथ काम करना चाहिए, और ताकि वो अपने रिज़ल्ट्स को अचीव कर सकें, अपनी कंट्री के हालात को बेहतर कर सकें और दूसरों के लिए लाइफ आसान बना सकें और ज़्यादा सेफ बना सकें. One such heroic politician was Nelson Mandela, former president of South Africa and a Nobel Peace Prize winner. He was jailed for 27 years because he was demanding freedom and equal rights for the black population of South Africa. South Africa was ruled by white-skinned people, though they were fewer in number than its black population. When he was released from jail, he succeeded in putting an end to apartheid, the unjust system he was fighting against. The grateful nation elected him as the president of their country. Mandela didn't take revenge from the former rulers and instead worked alongside them to make their country a strong one. नेल्सन मैंडेला की मिसाल दी गई है यहाँ पे, जो कि एक हीरोइक पॉलिटिशियन थे और इन्होंने ब्लैक पॉपुलेशन के लिए, जिन पर वाइट पॉपुलेशन हुकूमत कर रही थी, उन वाइट हुकूमत को ख़त्म करने में अपनी जद्दोजहद जारी रखी. बहुत डिस्क्रिमिनेशन की जाती थी ब्लैक एंड वाइट पीपल में. वाइट पीपल ब्लैक पीपल के साथ बहुत डिस्क्रिमिनेट करते थे, जैसे मुस्लिम्स या हिंदूज़ मुस्लिम्स के साथ डिस्क्रिमिनेट करते थे बिफोर पार्टीशन ऑफ सब कॉन्टिनेंट. इसी तरह वाइट स्किन पीपल डिस्क्रिमिनेशन करते थे, उनको उनके पूरे राइट्स नहीं देते थे, उनको अच्छी जॉब्स नहीं देते थे और उनको अपना स्लेव समझते थे. स्लेव मतलब गोलाम. तो बहुत ही बुरी हालत थी ब्लैक पॉपुलेशन की, और वो उनके अपने ही कंट्री में वाइट हुकूमत आके, वाइट स्किन पीपल आके उन पर हुकूमत कर रहे थे, जबकि वो उनकी अपनी जगह नहीं थी. साउथ अफ्रीका डिडंट बिलोंग टू वाइट स्किन पीपल, they belong to the black skin people. So for this, Nelson Mandela fought to gain freedom from white skin people, and for that he served 27 years in jail. But when he was released from the jail, he was succeeded in his aims, that he put an end to the white skinned people government, and then he became the first prime minister, the president of his country. But still he didn't take revenge from anybody, and instead he worked with them so that he can make his country prosperous. Sometimes ordinary people among us accomplish so much that they become heroes in our eyes. You must have heard of brave people who acted on the spur of the moment to save someone from drowning or from an impending accident, putting their own lives in danger. Each society has many such unsung heroes whose deeds receive no official recognition but who are nevertheless heroic. What about an honest taxi driver who discovers a briefcase full of money left behind on the seat by a departing passenger? You may have heard of many such men who go out of their way to return the money to the rightful owner. Would you consider such a man a hero? Obviously, we will consider them a hero. It may happen that a person who is regarded as a hero by one group of people is seen differently by others. Sometimes this choice is influenced by culture, religion, or race, or it can be a very personal choice. For example, if we talk about, we are also talking about the people who don't do anything on a much large scale, like basically they don't save a country from something, or they don't save a population from something, but they did it for an individual person or an animal or anybody, so they are considered hero as well. ऐसा नहीं कि अगर किसी ने किसी एक बंदे की जान बचाई है तो हम उसे हीरो नहीं कह सकते. दैट पर्सन इज़ ऑल्सो अ हीरो, क्योंकि उसने एक इंसान को बचाया है. ओके, सो फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ़ यू कैन सी राइट नाउ, डॉक्टर्स, we can say doctors unsung heroes in this COVID situation, because they are risking their lives just to treat their patients. And because if they will not perform their duties, risking their lives, we will end up getting more patients, and more patients will die because of COVID. So डॉक्टर्स अभी जो मेहनत कर रहे हैं वो भी हमारे लिए अनसंग हीरोज़ की तरह ही हैं, बिल्कुल. ओके, सो हियर आज ओके, देयर इज़ ऑब्वियसली हर किसी के लिए हीरो अगर कोई एक है तो दूसरे बंदे के लिए हो सकता है कि वो ना हो हीरो. फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल, अगर इमरान खान आधी पॉपुलेशन के लिए हीरो हैं तो बाकी के लिए नहीं हैं. That's their personal choice, their political views. Okay, so it can be the choice of hero, considering someone a hero or heroine, will depend upon their culture, religion, their race, their perspectives, and their personal choice. Okay, so here our chapter has been okay. After this you have to do the copywork of this chapter. Okay class, now open your copy and do the copy work. Okay, so first you have to do the first you have to make the title page, then start doing the true false, which is a hero has to work in film. Obviously not, we are not talking about someone who in this chapter the hero doesn't mean that he or she work in a movie. It's the one who basically is a real life hero, right? So it's false. Aung San Suu Kyi fought for democracy in her country. True. A hero can be a politician, a doctor, a scientist, or a simple laborer. Yes, obviously true. Abdul Sattar Eidhi was a politician. False. The Eidhi ambulance service is the largest in the world. True, obviously. And now you have to do the question answer. What qualities do you think would make a person heroic? Hero or heroine is a person of very good character. He has such qualities as courage, devotion, honesty, sincerity, and goodwill. Okay, all of these are the qualities that are present in a hero or heroine. उसका जो हीरो या हीरोइन है, ही मस्ट हैव अ गुड कैरेक्टर. उनका करेक्टर अच्छा होना चाहिए, उनमें करेज, हिम्मत होनी चाहिए, डिवोशन होना चाहिए, सच बोलने वाले होने चाहिए, नर्म दिल होनी चाहिए, गुड इंटेंशंस होनी चाहिए. ऑल ऑफ दिस काउंट्स इन देयर करेक्टर. Okay, number 2 question. Who was Nelson Mandela? Nelson Mandela was a former president of South Africa and a Nobel Peace Prize winner. Question 3. Why was Nelson Mandela in jail? He was jailed for 27 years because he was demanding freedom and equal rights for the black population of South Africa. Okay, so here our chapter has been completed. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.